Oh, hey! So welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright, so, today you guys are going to be doing, FYI, for those of you guys that were not here yesterday, we did not do anything. I literally had Trenton, and that was it. And I was like, what the heck? Sarah and Jade went to the soup kitchen, and some of you guys just weren't here, so me and Trenton hung out. Okay, so, today you guys are going to be going over power exponents. Okay, so far we've done zero exponents. So zero exponents say anything to the zero power is zero. Okay, we've done negative exponents, which tell us anything negative needs to go to the bottom. Okay, power exponents tell us, and I don't have the note sheets on here, so if you have them, if not, you can just write it on the top. But if you have x to the a, and you have a power raised to a power, okay, or an exponent raised to an exponent, is really just going to be x to the a times b. Okay, so essentially what that's saying is you keep the same big number and you multiply the little ones together. Okay, and I know you can't see this, sorry. Okay, and so you keep the same big number and you multiply the little ones together. Okay, and our answers can only have positives. So if we were to look at this, and today I think that I only did numbers. Let me look real quick for my big mouth. I did. So today should be fairly short and sweet. Okay. Tomorrow I'll start adding some letters and stuff like that. Okay. So we keep our same big number. So it's going to be 2, and then we multiply the little ones. So I'm going to have a 2 and a 4. So it's going to be 2 times 4. Well, 2 times 4 is 8. So it's just going to be 2 to the 8. And we say, well, is there any negatives there? Well, no. And so we're done. That wasn't so bad. Okay, if we look at 3, we're going to keep our same big number and we multiply the two little ones together. So 4 times 4, which is going to be 16. So it's going to be negative 3 to the 16. And I want you to think about it, but do we need to stop or do we keep going? Okay, and I know some of you guys might be tempted to say, well, keep going because we have that negative. Okay, the negative has to be on the little number or on the exponent, okay? And so on this one, we stop because that exponent is positive. Okay, 5. We're going to keep our same big number and we multiply the two littles together. 4 times 3 is 12. There's no negatives, so we're already done. Okay, 7. We keep the big and we multiply the two littles together. So 2 times 4. Okay, well 2 times 4 is 8, so it's going to be 4 to the 8. There's no negative, so we're done. Okay, we're going to keep the same big. We multiply the two littles. 2 times 3. So it's going to be 4 to the 6. Now, please pay attention. Some of you guys are going to add these on accident and instead of multiply. Make sure that you're multiplying, not adding. And definitely use a calculator. Okay, 11, it's going to be keep our same big number or our base, and our exponents are 3 and 3, so it's going to be 3 times 3. So negative 3 to the 9. Okay, our exponent is not negative, and so we can circle it, we're done. Okay, hopefully so far so good. Okay, 13, we keep the same base and we multiply the two littles. So 3 times 4. So it's going to be 3 to the 12. Nothing's negative, so we can stop, we're done. Okay, 15, we keep the same base and we multiply the two littles. So 2 times 3. It's going to be 2 to the 6. Nothing's negative, so we're done. Okay, 17. 17, there's nothing to multiply. It's not raised from a power to a power, but there is a negative there. Okay, and so we need to say, well, what do we do with negatives? So we put 4 to the 3 goes on the bottom, and we put a 1 on top. Okay, 19, we keep the same big, we multiply the two little, so 2 times 2. There's going to be 3 Okay, 21, we keep the same big and we multiply the littles. So -3 times -1. So it's gonna be 4 to the, well, negative times a negative is a positive. 3 times 1 is 3. So it's just gonna be -3. 23, we keep the same big, multiply the littles. So 4 times 4. Be 3 to the 16. And then I'm also going to do 24 just so you can see. For some reason I didn't get to do one like it, but so we keep the same big and we're going to multiply the little. So I got -4 times 4. Okay, and so I'm going to have 4 to the -16. Okay, which a negative is not allowed. Okay, so we have to put the 4 to the 16 on bottom, and you would put a 1 on top. Okay, I know we did one -1, but we didn't do one where we had to multiply first and then convert it. Okay, you moving a negative will always be your last step. Okay, most of you guys should be all right. Trenton, get your sheet done all the way. Do the other one. Okay, so all of you guys are gonna do all of the even ones, okay? There's only like 12. If you get done early, because you probably will, it's fourth period, it's the longest period, behave, okay? Play on your phone, do something, don't be a disruption. And then, obviously, you know, if you're struggling or whatever, try to hold on to it. Ask Hanson here, as somebody, Clugston and Harris are not the best at math. So I would go with Hanson first, okay? She should be down in Gross's room where you can call her. Okay, hopefully I'll be back tomorrow. If not, then keep an eye out for another video. Okay, bye.